Now this phone, I don't know why this one not play. Okay, wait, may I see whether you go play for this one. I don't know why this one not your play. Don't play.
Olivia International.
I'll sleep. Don't worry, I'll sleep. Wait, may I do first? I can finish. If I don't finish, I'll go sleep. Yeah, I don't even bath. Yeah. Don't worry, may I do I can finish. I'll go sleep. Yeah. I promise you. Yeah, I promise you. Don't worry, calm down, calm down, calm down. I'll go sleep. Yeah, after I don't do saga finish, I'll go sleep. Yeah, calm down. Okay. We'll never start now. Get there. Let me share, more let me share. More la share, more la share. Frankie, worry, baby, mommy. Worry, baby, mommy. Yeah, the mommy, Vienna. Oh, yeah, joy. Oh, I mean, yeah, sugar no, Eddie, baby. Eddie, baby, if I'm not buying. Ah, boy. Share, more like me share, more like me share. I don't even forget to share. You're the dance. Here go. We have it. We're not going to your view. Yeah. I think we have a war way. Where you may be on I way. Oh, we can. My people. Okay. I dey come. Before we go start, more let me share this video. More let me share am. Before we start, na two topic na dey here. Boku na share o. If you now my people, all right.
After MC Paprio explain what it by Lady Abiyewa.
After this one first, we'll go enter the main interview.
I come from there, calculate and realize, say, MC Papilo was right. Because some days ago, Don Prince post some amount of money when Lady Abiyewa take play love. Help!
Sometimes I dey like Enogie. I like Enogie. I swear. If for that interview, we no need to explain. We go watch and read the ending. Una will see and say they don't see is their mouth. Tasty judge. The whole issue. Now I'm gonna listen to Enogie. He say according to Abiyewa, he say he don't use, according to Enogie, he say Abiyewa don't use money play love. Good. Enogie, you dey talk truth, but for that interview, now there be the make cocoa. But I want to tell you something for inside this video where you talk. I want to remember you. I want to take you back. You understand? Now make me want to play this video.
Lady Abiyewa, you loved the wrong person, and when you realize that this person that you love never loved you, you developed high blood pressure.
Wow.
Life is deep. But Saga contributed 90%. Bully Saga contributed 90% to that woman's death. I never want to talk. The priest too have a lot of things to say. Just the way me get a lot to talk.
Wow.
But I must commend MC Papilo for speaking the truth.
Wonderful.
So that we go know how we go solve it. They look for this issue. They go small small. This matter is not just for common people. This kind of issue need presenter where is solid to bring this issue to the general public. Now, I don't want to talk as a talker. I get a lot of things to say. You get? But due to say that Abiyewa was still new back, you understand? And I still speak with the younger sister of Lady Abiyewa and some of the related family friends of Lady Abiyewa. So I still work hand in hand with them and the
Enogie also with us. You understand? I never see all this one where they talk, man, I they make noise. You understand? I never see talk. I they make noise. I just the brag for social media. The make cocoa where you talk so. Say you dey speak to the family of Abiyewa, all this kind of thing. We are ready. You understand? If EJ me ba me gbe hoye. Okay, can we ever make we press up who hoye? That's why I tell you, say, you, Abiyewa family, mama ego, natiri, ile, I dey follow una, I dey una body. See, this one not be Sharon OKPAMEN. He say, hey, you back. Where Sharon OKPAMEN you back? Or to go and be jack, you don't want to know we are both. No, Sharon OKPAMEN, no, who the person where you are, they do birthday together. Unagbe. Are you innocent? Almost say not tomorrow. He may say we sagbada ye na. I don't go defend my agbada. Yeah, boy. Yeah, gualene. Maybe it's a Christmas time when we want pack some clothes in our very cantina. I go because of you. Yeah, go let mula. They do way. You understand me now? You were cool. We see. We know that I know they talk too much, but until then, everybody we na where as a rest now. On me gele wano. Even ya gele wata and wata wa gele wano. We are begging the make cocoa make it come. Yeah, and you continue.
People who made their Abiyewa speak to last before she died. Now, according to what Epa Eddie explained yesterday, when the Abiyewa not go call me again, when she died alive, she does still complain this kind of issue to me. Yeah, during last year, late last year, say, Enogie, they say I don't get it. Then I say, Mama, not to wash all those things again. If you know, say you know fit, or maybe your body not carry on.
No go on a baby or what? No na sungu. Again, you platform that the platform ya go. No, I don't want to for you. Now your interview they go, but I want to remember you something here. I'm not supposed to even talk for this video. If there one particular word was supposed to breathe, they will go back to your interview of yesterday. My you're quiet.
You understand? If you don't see your body not carry on, rest. Saga is not for the weak. Saga not be for people who be saying man, they get high blood pressure. Saga not be for people who be saying any small thing they are mad at the shake. Any small thing they are mad at the shake. Saga not for person where they not to be sore. Make it come. Saga now go quack me. That is the only way. Saga not for people where they are mad strong. You don't feel them. That is what they talk say. If your skin not full, not put body. But in this lady Abiyewa matter, oh, she not deserve the saga. So they give that woman because in your ball, she not deserve her at all.
But we saga oh, we be saga oh.
Now, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I want to say a very big thank you to you because it takes only a man with confidence to come out to say this. Yeah, not be everybody feel speak the way you can speak. So, John Prince said he has a lot to say about what happened because before Lady Abiyewa finally died, so she was very closer to John Prince than each and every one of us. You understand? The last time when me and I speak, when I won't talk to her again, I think it was just this year, early this year, January. Let's say we do Happy New Year for each other, you understand? That aside, Don Prince said he has a lot of things to say. This will not be saga. This will not be the reality of life. And we will talk on the way
it be.
We must defend and fight for this woman.
No need to not video.
She was so nice.
For that interview,
she dey pay bloggers to do saga. Abiyewa have never paid me a dime to help her to do saga. Apart from when I do marriage, when she send me something big.
500.
Say, no, they take this. I use to support your marriage. Apart from
but
them,
you call Peter later.
Has never called me on phone to say, Enogie, come outside, help me fight. Except say, man, that the saga and she want to debunk with evidence. So she sent that for me. I said, okay, no problem. Since you get evidence to take debunk the lies, put the lie for your head, I will come out for you. You understand? Some of these people know this truth is there.
See, we are interested for.
Some they even saga the woman say, now we should not die. So say that my enemy for a book by self. I know they pray about God. I know they pray. Anybody when I get issue with God.
Enogie, I will remember you last 2 years or last year. Where you they do live video. Me and you they do saga. I never know. Say you they carry my name, go native daughter. If I want beat you, I they beat you for yourself. If I want beat you, I go beat you. You understand? So me, I never know. Say una they take my name, go native daughter. until God come punish Mama Nora. As I come saga una, the saga no not fit bear that saga. Then as you come they do the saga, Mama Nora can't use madness, take come outside. Oh phone. Enogie, you don't forget. He hold phone. The next thing, away Baba, you honey be the best one. Always want to tell me social media, or so want to tell me social media. Baba, you kwe, and now unana, where I'll make it kwe. You have been taking my native daughter. Before my God come punish Mama Nora, come outside, come make that call. Say, Baba, the girl don't start to insult me again. Guwawa no fear. That's a wow, very interesting. You know, so you better take my name to native daughter. Now, I call the wish you to say that now. May you back. Now you they come and say anybody where you are in get quarrel for social media, you know where you're dead. And I tell you, say where you take my name, go there, go lose out. Your son say na your name, I did there. You think I'm joking? Yes, no dole gbemeji or segemene. You understand? So I not be you. Let me tell you. You understand me? So una try. Una not succeed. What do you call the call me Enogie? Una way ije one mona muriawo. You say I be like Pikin where they spoil for inside cover with the was who said ruane. Say Enogie, if you they talk, you go remember when I start this issue, and I will never leave you. You understand me? So we're not any there, bo. And then we fuck up. We were fuck up before. Before you buy me, before you feel arm me, you will feel no weighty. You will feel destroy the team. Before you go fit buy me. Now two things you go do. You will feel the thing will make me this strong. You will go fair now. You will spoil that thing first before your arm will feel meeting. That is the only thing. And the only person who knows is only my husband. You understand me? So now let my husband. That is the only way you will feel bring me down. I just tell you, not beside this and make maths. You supposed to don't know. You understand? I move. Before you go bring, now you go tell them say, I want to make this woman die. I want to make this woman die. No. Before you go back, wait till you put it back. That is the thing you will go find. Then you can spoil her. And if any naughty daughter will fit tell you, and the day we open my tell you, now that day they back. Not be saying that man, not the joke. Now make her say, before my papa begin to give you information, what no any, what no ta, as you and my papa they play. I took a time okay, nana be me, otego do. We go bazu, ana be me. You understand? I be me, I move me. You understand? Or segemene, more to be me do le be meji. You understand? And what do I run with social media? So don't talk that word again.
You cannot be me create the call this life. But anybody when they wish for me to buy will buy before me. Come on, only day I know where you anybody will want me that buy when they watch me, so when they comment, when they share, when they put love and like for my video. Anybody will wish you death will die before you.
Amen. He said, and I say amen to it, Enogie. You wish me death. You wish me death now. You and Mama Nora wish me death. Well, now I'm only married Enogie, you will be the next if you not take time. For this matter, for this case, who you hear? This matter not cause Abiowa. Thank God say you talk for the beginning. Say Abiowa use money play love. Honestly, now we were buwane. You have said it all. I'm not going to say the interview. Even when I finish it, when I finish your work. Now then for finish your work. Well, to bo wa be judge. Beg we no interview on ma. We na do kon. Iyan na agbe committee. Iyan na azolota. Enu we go ala we matter interview. Beg we wa kon e. O get egbe won another. Interview na was a lot, but why not be why be say not be me do this interview? Uwaga azo. Don't go lare kado son wo e.
Hello.
We ma mi.
For they do well.
They call me based on law. The woman, all they are getting will say, "He don't see us back." He not believe one day say Frank go, as in Frank will betray her, or Frank will come and one day come to us now, so he not come. He not believe one day say only till I betray will come.
Let me be sincere in this video. Waiting don't go tough for year and waiting the tough for year. I will be polite in this video. You understand? Now my godfather, you understand? I know she say because I'm my godfather, no, I will be sincere in this video. Now they get me so more than listening, but this thing way don't go. Elimigo.
All the years we stay journey. Now here one black woman like you. The name of the black woman is the choice. I know the lie. Anything I talk here, we know people come at all defender. You only come at you say why is the yoni? You reply, they deceive all of you now. You know, so let me deal with her. And they use truth everything they deal with her.
Where they stay for how many hours for platform?
You come and you say why is the yoni name you? Is the yoni? Because why social media is doing one thing. He present as see anybody wey know say he know a rich ass or he beat her well. That presenter no I don't dey answer that person. Share this social media, anybody, any presenter wey know say no person wey know a rich ass. If that me and you know before the saga na one person na 170, he take carry room. So as we call the saga, I come tell you that they will say me and Enogie, the disgrace of social media, say not too big to stay in one room. I say call the first this woman to carry apartment for her. This woman called carry apartment, called them this carry apartment. That's the last apartment where you lose so. If you say the apartment where you did different for the one where if I did, he said last year, it did different. The one where the apartment where my market because here, it's different for the apartment where you did so now what you cause problem for me and Abioyiwa? Now Mama Kelly. Now cause problem. Ask Mama Kelly take cause problem. Make I explain people now. Because me can ask her say, what you cause problem for you and Frank? Because say, now Mama Kelly, he stay Frank, the friend Mama Kelly. They not tell her they had down. And she they say son, say Frank the friend Mama Kelly. Frank continue to deny Mama Kelly. He deny Mama Kelly for 1 good year.
Ubega we utori ba utori. One, you say my godfather promise. I forward them because we will go to Mama Joy with Sagamia the quittal show. First, you say he promised her marriage. Say he go marry and I make her spend all this money for her. Two, you say he dey deny my mother. For good 1 year, wow. I don't know say Abiowa with my godfather, they have something. Let me be sincere. Because I want to be sincere. We are for no na social media. Now therefore to say don't go, you lie. And me, I don't know say Abiowa with my godfather they did. Now when Becky make me, that is not Becky issue. Make me know say Abiowa with my godfather they did. You understand? I never know. So what it could happen? I don't know, but my godmother call you talk say my godfather call you talk. No, he don't fit the talk and say I tell me Biowa, they measure a Biowa, but they never they do saga like the saga never out. But they always they measure a Biowa. If they give star, you understand? If they give star, now we have a call no a Biowa. The day we come my godfather for live video say, in we all a property to my godfather. Me if ye ni vie. No ya sungu, do sungu, if you remember that video. Since that, my godfather have been saying about this woman, and even my godfather, they talk her for live video. You understand? So, if they talk about Abiowa for live video, where an Abiowa they call, they go get to a point where my godfather called the talk, say, Abiowa, area where, but I don't know what it happened. I don't know if you come my godfather call they ask another kind of question. But for live video, now for the year say, you hear you where you are disrespectful with the day you say, no call this person. If the day you say, no they call presenter, all this thing. In a beggar where error and I feel la jam with social media. Wagata CCA. That's what I tell myself. I know the war saga. Now what you come up for now? Well, that make I think they remember all this thing because I know the war saga. I remember too clear, but I don't know what it happened. So my godfather called and tell you say, stay away from social media. You are not a presenter. Now live video. He said, if you not change your character, I'm not gonna feel marry you. Area where my father have been saying this thing on social media. Don't go, not the lie. I just say they put some kind of things where I don't remember because it don't take, but I did try to pick some kind of things now they remember you. Now even they make because they remember all these things. They don't get to a point where my godfather come verse. If my godfather the verse, I didn't know. He died black bulb, he don't turn. He can't turn. He can't even talk for social media. Say, Abiowa, I will not marry you. Stay away from me. Even because they mention your family name, say, may they call you. May they put you in order. Yes. You say your family even they beg. Then what are you saying? My godfather never promised Abiowa. Maybe he tell her. They see character. Oh my God, I know if he marry you. Even my godfather sit talk and say, you get money, you want to control me? All these things, my godfather, they pour out for social media. So, because he did support him, then you call they control me. Me will be ma. This is what my godfather was avoiding. Instead of Abiowa to have made the way, he put more effort. He go call for inside house. He go say, okay, he not go do it again. Tomorrow, he go do the one way it was. This is my godfather ways. This is all my godfather's ways. That time for social media. He say you don't need woman. Where will they control? If the woman they control you now be that one now. Now before every man have different characters. Instead of Abiowa to have made the way, no. He keep on calling. They make everybody a friend for social media, and you are not a social media. Mom, my godfather never promised Abiowa. And they talk, and he still talk for live video. Say, if my godfather, the way he take my godfather, I talk according to my godfather. He say, if Kevin not accept a proposal here, he will go and pay bread price. If he don't accept, say yes, he go marry. He not go take him, he go marry him. These are my godfather's ways on social media. Now that word, now take five Mama Kevin number. That's how I know Mama Kevin too. The day when my godfather measured that word on social media, say if my godmother accept and say he go marry her, he not go waste time. He go pay bride price. Abia was around. Umagi Tawani. Everything was on social media. Don't go. You understand me? So, and on that day, I picked my phone, found Mama Kevin number. I call Mama Kevin. I say, Mommy. He say, hey, I beg. See what my godfather talk. He can't dey laugh. He can't dey laugh. Now I can't tell her, I say, no. He say, your father get many women. I say, okay, before he go settle down with you, he go pause all this thing. But just agree. And Becky know say this is why I talk, so it is true. I see don't to run. So what are you saying? Wagata TCA. My godfather never promised Abiowa. If they talk for social media. Okay?
The name Mama Kevin flat. You see, Mama Kevin na in France. Now you see the control level where they use. The name Mama Kevin flat. So we get the stage where we reach. After we call the saga around because the woman they want saga we will not tell her lie.
Okay.
They just bear your power.
You see the reason why I say iya boya gbegbiane. You say Abiowa na person where they watch saga. You see one now fair person. Now see the fair to myself. You hear that say Abiowa na person where they watch saga. Even when you and my godfather they do relationship, that way they never quarrel. Abiowa they watch. How he take to say he go me if you need you know ya soon he want he dey watch saga Refuting. Ubega wa boya una say not be me they talk now. We are talking according to Enogie and Dongot. Now Abiowa loves saga, watches saga, and it is true. Even that is the reason why my godfather say stay out of social media, because my godfather know his sickness, he know what he know him. That is the reason why I say this kind of video where they go this one, they talk, they go here. Stay out of it. This is what my godfather was trying to protect, and the question and the busy bay. When I get the story now, more I not get them twisted. Hello, yeah. Ma.
Good morning.
Good.
Family.
Fine, ma.
So, I want to for this issue.
Okay, now.
Say what you talk for this video where you dey play so. You know they talk to for the say I'm telling you like this I'm not play love.
Exactly. You boy a baby.
To start with, I get brothers here. He get there where they treat for my brother, and my brother get woman where they say he want marry. The girl no want rest. Now the girl use his mind to give my brother money. And my brother no have some money. He just similar like your father. My brother tell her right from day one, see my woman, you don't go hide her 24 hours. The girl they treat for my brother. He give my brother the buy it from my brother. He get where you know go there. So at the end, the matter now, my brother said, he want to put money for his wife head. So at the end, the girl comes to say that he don't expect he go right to go sit there and I said, let you not go call him again. Me, I told you not answer me when I not get anything. When I don't get I tell you I get woman one man and now you want for this your money. Now if I say all those change, what change, now they send them for and keep my buy brother. At the end, the girl come finally rest. When the rest I say my brother can't bring the t-shirt, bring the little change just to go for her. Now that I said call the girl, tell her me I not they support my brother for anything they don't put. Me, I not to get time to run for pastor or run for the daughters because of she told my brother come to. If you not go marry Asha once, now they talk now. So the bad dead bad man now so that they talk. But if Asha will give them food, they go eat them. We'll never lie. If you not the marry Asha, don't marry Asha money. So I know my brother they have to official nothing, not to wait they not they pay because they get document and do normal job. They don't get their document, they do normal job. So now me call the girl by myself, tell her say, I bet stop this nonsense. So the girl realize a mistake. If you are not saying now you just to find out. Now if I said do say my fever, now the only thing I want ask, give me any money where we say that one answer you. Say money. He said no. That one, like I said that one there, I will tell my brother return and give you because he play you for them. But the rest, now you by yourself give and say yes. Now say, no, let me hear say you call my brother life again. Is there what to hear say anybody pitch her for net or did you know I go hear that matter for anybody matter? I ask you a question. So that say stop. You know what they call. Like this matter when you talk, so your godfather always they talk and say, you know go matter abia you wa. Because why? Abia you wa no man when not they propose, my even man will get back for us. It go seem like say my own can get up to get that woman. But if your godfather get her from me, say before 2 of them go there. But it's just Abia what they talk for this life, it's all this matter where they talk up and down. So nobody will know this story of Abia. Abia like what they read for social media.
Okay.
Abia you will give your godfather water drink for your mind. If I say that go to all the online presenter say he bring 3 cartons of cloth for your godfather.
Okay.
Abia will give your godfather money. He go say you give your godfather money. He go tell life you don't present. First when you call your boyfriend, who say you give her, you go the narrator, not be asking now you use your mind take plate of give her.
Okay.
If papa bury your phone, you buy chicken. Now you go tell them say now you buy chicken. So that kind man, when the man tell you say come on for live video, you say you know go come out. Do this one, you say you know. What did you give your boyfriend? You go to talk for live video presenters. When you don't say now that you still say they chop themselves, they don't love themselves. So now they will come for the second your godfather using direct. So that kind of woman, who wants to marry her?
Okay.
Who wants to carry? Your godfather see character, see way of doing things. Say no, they not be woman where they take somebody out. See, they like to put pride of his money. They want root on man. Not be all man. They now what make woman they do messes for your head. Not be all man. What make woman they do make the shit for your head. Principal man, you get money, you not get money, your wife get money, pass so that man is still under that man, you go come down. So when your own godfather say I cannot be woman like that, now you say no. Anywhere, right for the singer, your godfather they use and sing like your mother for this life video say, he not go marry you. He not go marry you. He get wife when you want marry. He not deny Mama Kevin one day. But for the first time, if they talk say, here where never the party because with Mama Kevin never accept her. When Mama Kevin don't accept her, he not deny Mama Kevin one day. That one a wrong story. They don't preach if you don't trust the picking. You have to be a canny or matter to be a canny. Then they don't preach. Matter to be a canny. No guana. But I don't give it there to any fuck. I tell say I will bet that because I be the follower because you don't go to. Don't those nonsense are not the doer. Le doctor na to akwana if le doctor if you give me go ya we bet over here you go kwa no here give me most of them will never lie they don't go see that money can I be their tears nothing more okay no let this your godfather not be introduced attitude for
Abiawa
when attitude begin call the saga for your godfather who marry that attitude na peso ruabo no be your godfather introduce attitude for Abiawa who marry that attitude na peso ruabo what attitude come be say he come betray your godfather even that your godfather call the saga. And not be a was still carry all what you do for your godfather. Come go to tell attitude. Which man go carry that kind of woman? You know the see there. They are so less the perfect. But the truth is you need to say the truth. Not because brother of attitude. Even busy better as busy with your godfather. Not be not be the appear but still cost for there. When you are, if you take busy money in the work for the test market, not be the matter, not be a appear but still go to talk every secret of your godfather. Still cost for there. Not being sick, sir. Your godfather, always say, you know what, you know, go marry. Even where this one still go, when he said that the company can still go there, when your wife then was still come. That you know, she said that your godfather they collect money near Badia, where near patient.
Oh!
That you know, she talk about the patient trouble that the Abia you were and they don't say Abia you were there, your godfather life. Your godfather don't want to see the woman now. He will never day. Now, let me do for the talk. Now, he talks to your godfather not here. He come for Italy, not here. Nothing. We don't know the kind of friendship with it. This will not be friendship. Now, what he did that night, I said too. As he do for Mobigore on a salad here. If he give person water drink, he go narrate the person. The thing was not to start on social media. That will not be food. That will not be help. It not be help. So your godfather not that accusation not a nice take left from her. So we not see friendship. That will not be friendship. Now money now he give her from his mind. Now if your godfather now rich so that money will say want to start a business or car. Say that money what he give her money to start business of car. If your godfather now rich trauma, he will collect that money.
Okay.
The way they talk, so if not that they go collect that money, when your godfather is not a trauma, that is why he collect that money. He's not going to marry that woman. And anything we do for your godfather, now from his mind, they even send that for her. And your godfather not collect that money when once somebody just start business or car because you don't say no one marry or man no be a few or no talk or no you want to do for that. Now what if I self Abia will come from the man? Then he do for your godfather.
He was trying to protect my godfather.
If not the priest, the moment where they talk, so it's not here, they were talking to make it give money to start business. The priest will run carry that money. money.
I swear.
How many women don't forsake your Napoli for Ashera? Then now you work on the price. This one cannot be woman put you for house. What did they do when they break? The truth is hard to say. Maybe they talk this point, like a mama go where see the talk. So not be betrayal. See her now. See like I see that one hair for it. It don't weak now because I cannot hear or be able to. That will not be nice. Una nice say don't use to not get about triplets. Amami mama. Una nice so they don't.
No, we worry here.
So when I go they lie. All the old women when they support us, so all of them talk at that time. And I go, because of your godfather, make you go to think of yourself, for example, go to cry. Who shall call cash today now?
Oh, okay.
But they draw the woman to that pain, to that saga, to the girls. But they not call your godfather name. Now they draw that woman to pains. Even Queen talk show when they said they call the narrative our enemy now. That Queen talk show never wanted before his best friend betray her today. So also no power often no over. That Queen talk show never wanted to say this woman not support her, say make it start what they do.
No.
God Queen talk show never they use her tell the sick.
Yes.
So he give her money to support her for making the too small
business.
Talk show never hide that secret. And Queen talk show don't take many insults because of her girl you are. Fight for her girl you are. Fight for this is not betray her so. For your wife, he don't fight for that one, but at the end that one betray him. If that one see pointy, forgive to Queen Tosho. Make Queen Tosho, make it run for that one. If that one see pointy, forgive Queen Tosho.
I swear.
Queen Tosho for that betray your friend down.
Becky.
And another one, Mama Joy, they are mug of who kill this Abia you are. Mama Joy, when my Abia will come from Mama Joy classroom. Or who are going to be a key. When this Mama Joy, that's when they say they carry loads, can't give you from Nigeria. No, Lala, they give you load, give and food, they can't give you. You fuck that man, you poor picking for that, you still can't useless to toss it, go give Ulala. Ah, that Ulala, this is not a medicine, go take war. She not that, she need to get inside. Woman on my neck, she'll call the open for that, they talk like person where.
The quick touch egbe. Imi awa settle down with her journey.
Okay, when this woman, they come from a market class up. As a advanced woman, you don't say this woman take guarantee the warrior. If make not strong, you don't need to advise this woman. Tell her say, "Ishe, where you are, you sagari. I'll tell you where you are. No what condition well. That mama you need to advise this woman. But you did not advise her. You will tell her that you have ne, wala, you never go here. That one a pocket better.
Oh. Let's say
she's not a mother, she's a useless woman. Never join the pussy by they beat her well. And when the pussy by talk everything, when it talk many things there for truth.
Exactly.
Many things there for truth. Mama just supposed to correct that woman, say mother, as a first woman say, is a baby matter, and even now we are beloved. Only when we take over matters you were, don't know not to buy time about when we are here. Lucian and no, we are we no magazine, no, only, up only. But I'm not to where I love. I'm not meant to go in no my airport. Me, nothing got to say. I never helped my husband. No, Mama John, not talk all those ones. Or classy job women, or bonnet women, no so. She's not a mature woman. When I am away, or no, we are not when I appear there. If we move away, or Pierre, or Pierre, I'm not going to go. I will kill one be a job. You don't know if you were the physical guy. Then we get a lamana to see where going. But I like here. But what's your ever much your way? I dare to have no so good. I would not leave or carry you. Never cock up when you have a second, you know, why you do a young winner. I don't want you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. I know your talk, but continue on good. Ije. Always word on good.
Just keep like most of people, they don't believe the word saga. I know so many people the word saga. So we see the word saga. So when somebody saga again, you know what I mean? Nah, they have no afford the thing and say, you sure say this mama said not a friend that the way they take the saga this woman. You sure say not a friend that you will take denying. Now they have no sexual. They have no sexual because they as it be like this, he know will say this guy money too. He want look whether this guy really.
Okay, name more last speaker.
You know, they are in shops. Oh, I saw me. Oh, that me. I have to work it out. Why you?
Already last speaker.
Where you?
Already last speaker.
Number one. Can my godfather were from Victor when I do wrong and I won't now. Oh, one your guy. I tell him congratulations. Okay. Mommy, a lot in our bonani again. Oh, amen. Oh, where any near friend of that Victor Sumu Diana.
Exactly.
Because me mind from Pani Victor na Granada Yasumu. And Victor do not do, but no, you come, no, you are giving the woman. Oh, what number may David? On our Ladia, or black, the body Victor, or the group, or Bonona, or when you're now one, or when you're one, or I need no papa that we want to pay as you that one.
Yes, it's true.
Because if it's on my lap, I'm going to Guna and when in any job. And if it's not, oh my God, anything known if it's always better than no way out of willingness.
Exactly.
If it's on my do it. But for what to come out, I am Johnny here, I do not fit no favor. Well, we have me, you. Oh, mammy, when the one lads me, no one for me, Miss the war, on our boat. On our lad, or give it like your mother, or we ain't no ton or a victim. Like this, we couldn't know me. And here where I went at my baby here. If it's a man, go on, it makes a lot of things. Oh, no, if it's a take Walega,
Kakabo,
if Victor, and you take Waluda, or say now with Victor Wano. And when you are web, you have to say, and or that bona, make his style get it back. Nothing they happen. No. A bit of that. Because I'm going to do it. One, I'm going to give you money come again. Number two, if you have one of the other wages of Vivian, and I have a picture of you. If you have over, and you're going to me at the 8th morning Miss Road, I will your owner, if you're a pin of my, if you might pick me. And number two. You go to American Union, baby, not by me, make a fan because of the river. Mother son. Hello?
Yeah, you thought you know what?
What's the name of cooking? My mention in America, I need where the total woman while they are begging a robe. Oh, me, my nose, to take whatever you go by and why I can stand one. Because you go women.
Oh, now, my social media, near ya with Saga.
I understand.
My name is Rose.
Who said, I'm go name? Okolona, Okolo, oh, yeah, Wale, when you get perfect, the point of your walking. And choice there, no. Who understand? And choice there, no. You cannot pick somebody's choice. And every time yes. Can you just imagine that?
Oh, yeah, Matonio. It don't go to Matoni.
For what reason?
Yeah, joy. Yeah, joy.
Because every time I do Eddie, you get somebody something for. Leave that thing for that person and move on. When you are threatening anywhere, I'm telling you, when I'm there, I will come out.
Mama,
you cannot eat your cake and have it
at all.
This woman was planning to eat her cake and have it again instead of moving on.
Yourself.
Huh? Is that not madness?
You have
money to go and start doing nuisance, creating nuisance. Now I am which kind rubbish be that?
What's the year?
I don't go up here, but not one web of better, not to have a young web of better or web of better or one of the don't web it up man on one, you know. Oh, when money and I feel back any and no. They're so stupid. You got a young the water when you are born when you are now, I mean, they can't joke. Any other one knew about that bit of a mother and a bit of like the Maya better because of this woman. In my day, oh yeah, on a Sudan look on your dog. Oh, sit down, I look. Then he is to know me, I want to be saying, this guy, yeah, who cares? Oh, Mama, yeah, go.
I swear. Listen to
what and no soon was that the told you soon was awful.
Yeah, no.
There are some land in Lagos, you can't go there. There are some land in Lagos there, you cannot go there. Yeah, for a 12 year, Epa Eddie. Somebody will just come and you come and start bragging. If you are a big man outdoor, a big man will love you one day.
Oh, the woo.
Oh, the woo, that.
Yes, so.
Because this man didn't come and steal it from you. He wanted to put a protection in his body. He wanted to kill this man.
Where's a year?
That woman is a very stupid woman.
Well, listen to the or confess him now. Listen to her, where's a year?
What is set for 2 Western Union and it's going to be 72 million. We'll calculate. The one way from us transfer will not all those one. If you calculate all those one, I pass 100 million. Where this boy, Frank, chop this woman. I know they lie. He say he buy 2 cars for Frank brother. He buy one for 12 brother. He buy car close to 8 million, 8.something million, 4.something. That he buy car for those brother. Many millions there. Where we say go give the brother me, Frank go collect her. So many. So go not go there area first. Because everywhere is there. Now they hear me so. So this woman now, he not talk again. Since Frank not a friend, what they call her? Juliet Agbotin, because of the rescue. Do you know what he go happen again? No. Frank do to look, you know, tell anything do again. He will not come out from media. He will say this woman, they go, they call the family, they go, they put light for his head. Say this woman, see the time now. So all those things they make the woman, they come look, they come like say the woman not come know herself again. Frank told the woman to person not come know what they do. Come like say the woman no your girl get sex again. How can you the woman just say don't praise. Beni me wa basena. O bani me zero na here way of Ibeleku or ego re ma ikle fe ko pa.
Yeah, come here. I'm going to
Have I seen the video?
Oh, yes.
Now see the clothes.
Yeah.
So he go send me the clothes. He go tell me say every time na mama can be there with so if you have your shirt. Now they say so.
Yeah.
So na mama can be there with so. Imagine now. You know the friend woman again. You say you don't need that. All the clothes wey wear back give you see the wear the go on that woman house. You still wear the clothes. Bully her. She go buy me shit.
You hear her? So the cloth, that means Mama Jawo come talk her for your own platform, for your own time. That means the clothes when me buy for my ass. Everything I buy for my ass, that one will see pack and come outside. Well, maybe you just when I am wearing smell ladia. Me de no wear, no sir. Ubere, what do you for me? I will put it down on the Italian store. Italian store now, David Macano. I will put it down on the butter. Can you go to Fiona? Why we don't you remember?
Bah, no care. On a des siens, Okay. Now I replay the record again. See, listen well. What the record there? Okay. That this one where I play so. Where is the same give me so? Because anytime they always tell me or try every time. Either wood or praise or be frank.
Can you bring the evidence? You say you have a lot of play, okay? We will wait. We are cool. We are cool. We are cool.
That is why if you see the marathon race where I did attack that boy, if I see her for my social media, I say na proper more go. Now they already saga well. Because why? Maybe this man forget peace. Maybe life of this spirit.
Now you feel beat my godfather. Where you go get
peace? This boy so this woman not with the talk to her. This one don't leave van. Almost your carry this man come out. How I go view we? How I bow the way? How I wanna all those things. Because they affect that woman. Because the lack too much. For the one where MC Papilo talk, now they hear me so, truth day side. Now they hear me so, truth day side. When she start hospital, when she go start hospital work, other time I will do please, you ask her in hospital. Now I plan. Okay, when I play this one for her. Let MC Papilo listen to this one. Nancy Papilo listen to this one. I tell you, so when Nancy Papilo talk, truth day start. Look when it takes time to hospital work. Still tell me. When the hospital now say, look when the hospital.
Oh, okay. What I say? Don't know. You hear where? The interview was so stupid.
Bluetooth mode.
Wait, where's speaker? Okay. Okay, you can't be that first one. Mark here, so that me I make it. I don't need the other one. The other one. Okay, man.
Hey, you were not gay.
Don't worry. It's not good. I'm telling you. I need another person to wash here.
You got to no way. So now speaker. We can do this. Yeah, could be speaker. I'm going to
Mackless, oh,
what Mackless? Yeah, Bokayaki.
Where was it?
It's good. You got to come away. So now speaker.
You know, yeah.
Yeah, could be.
You know, they say, oh, yeah. Oh, my, you're my asset.
So, one in that so, the money, the boy na Rio, even the boy na Rio as in na post Latin. So,
oh, when we have here,
some of the receipt.
The money,
I don't say most of them I don't see them. And I think show us no monastery. Yo, where? Brother, I will show you the dossier.
Enogie, I want to ask you a question. If you be person where they talk truth, this receipt where say you want show so I don't already did social media. Enogie, if you be person where they talk truth, don't go say now almost about 70 million. Now the money be. Now Enogie, I want to call you. Calculate all the receipt. Tell them say they pack all the receipt give you. May you by yourself sit down whether that money will reach 10 million. Enogie, all this receipt where they pack come outside, tell them go say make it pack. You say you get proof, but know that. Tell them make it pack everything give you. Make you calculate on your own whether it reach like that. I say my godfather stay for hotel for 3 months. Okay, una remember the day when my godfather told say he get one place where they stay for underground. Where Ray go enter that place, where he can spoil a laptop. Don't go. where we go have where your Epa don't buy. We know, but Eko we have Enogie. Enogie. If you be person, where get sense, you know say my God. Even Abia where is man talk and say, Roshana, he go enter the, he go spoil a laptop, he close everything. Oh, na so I do but Gabio wa. Where you see say Roshan don't carry a laptop. Now you go even maybe they remember many things now. Don't good. Even we what domumu, even ya we what I no. All is pure lie. All is pure lie. And my godfather see they talk for social media. A Russian lawyer Kenya have underground. Do hotel in here. On our stay hotel for 3 months. Okay, where that underground where it good make person they talk come out to like this kind thing so as I dey remember so it good if a person if it's something happen to you at least they talk am. I wish my godfather not talk all these things now. Like my godfather come back they talk am for the first time. It go be a shock to everybody. Underground where Russia enter, you know how many months my godfather stay for there before Russia come enter? Ha! Don't go, don't mumu. Ekobia, be. Ha! Who did your bad yevo? Enogie, the receipt there where they take send my godfather money good, but we calculate don't say 70 million. Calculate don't say 70 million.
And just talk.
Okay, so now, a document zero, what they said, report to America, or reporting the police America, or bullying, or scamming, or reporting in Nigeria, or reporting in Lagos, a day agreement, or bullying, or no bullying, always come here with a relationship, or we are marrying. You may a fraud in Norway, Enogie, a Casanova, no. You might wake Casanova, no. But last again, you will be the winning. And even here, you go now wastage for nothing. Mammy, only 3 flat of bar, your body or back, and will close to more than 100 million. Okay. Only 3 flat or back, or even carry or ya will. I present also now near way all the women will come out. No one to say he spend money for Muslim. Now Muslim is spend money for them because money deal. Go and check all the presenters where Muslim trade. No one to say Muslim, you chop my money, not day.
Becky.
Now Muslim they spend money for them because why? Money still day. I build money. But when I build money come finish, everywhere come red. Now they say so you can't lose that house where I build what the people. So now they don't stay for that house to do. Come lose that house. Come with it. Now let God know they deal now. They say I make us have to go to market the guy up to so my people, the way that's what you say.
Now true, so they really said that as
I don't feel like they never said the answer. You hear me, sir? I don't feel like they never sell them. Okay, you hear me, sir?
don't tell me I what in here.
Now make this way for come out for a body now. No doubt you no make it of Ben. Don't doubt you marry.
And I wait. Fish one want to cook soup, I don't chop and finish. When I wait. Enogie, this is it. Oh no, see eh. Uwe video now this video where you do so. Uwe ya me why? Not be everything where they tell you. You will carry come up for social media. You say that video where you make sure say now that one I go for my godfather. No one. You make fool of yourself for that video. As you don't hear the truth today. I never believe you. Make the dead wake up. Like he can announce and say, he say us. We not bad. And now, don't go to see where for this stupid. Where we are being an go. Now, I no get ask you, I no get ask you say, Why una koto say they don't set the ass? You say me take comot eye for a body. But when you come now mama go to that position to talk that word, not be Abiowa. Because my godfather with Abiowa, they not get any business when it comes to business. They not get. Take note. If you know, so that's why I say you never reach 40 years. We're not dogoti where you ask that question well. Say, why una koto say una don't set the ass? There your comment and your word for Don Goatmat say may it not the disturb Abiowa. Now, Enogie, the question we supposed to ask this idiot now say, okay, now Abiowa, then they build the ass for my godfather or na mama ego. Na bega when now man I say, oh, be you have we magi no we o maka bi o wa kan o wa we Refuting na o na mama ego na you supposed to talk say mama ego no what me my godfather they talk about her again now make I go set the ass not Abiowa gata say u beg it have you oh because Eruji you will never change. Oh yeah, let's go there.
Okay. Okay. But may I hear you not having?
Okay.
But with the way you here you move one in there.
Yeah, more one there, but I think more one there. Okay. I think more one.
Enogie, that one. You want to settle with Annie. Your man just settle for them because you see the way you go ask. Because sister where with the way me you have been on social media for so many years. Oh, romantic boy. Now, what he win na why you more one where walking or you were settle. You understand what's the one settle? You know one may don't leave you. Now do I get where workers and the social media on the bow highway. You understand? Oh, Vani, yeah, that is how enemy works. That is how if you basically let me not the girlfriend though. Because if you don't say you don't grow past your friend, and then your friend don't they envy you, want me bring you down. You want me on a 2 day that the level on a day. This is and the reaction of Enogie said it all. Yes. Nayera with the yama bo no bo all the face saying you quit ask that one first. Now we can't give her the ass. Because with the talker say he go use the paper of the land, they ask this final con. You understand? Anyway, Sha, I now agree with you for here. Abia was saying they don't say ask. We stand by that one. I don't care. Oh no, go ni oh back with the debunking and the goats.
Abia wa mo na. You get picking I think more one level. Okay. No, I think the problem around now is
what if you are
every time my family of they are trying hard now. FBI here is not the matter now. FBI. Master now. Because the time here we a boy now, MO Sagaropa, but you are in ya. Now any Sagara area also not make very selling because it's Saga with the
Baba where they smell. You know, say when they told this kind of place. I am proud of my father. If I'm not up for that side, who I again. Only Baba where they smell. I am proud to be your daughter. Always Saga like babe. Oh, there she know. I get loco. Say I be your daughter. Oh, yeah, man. Only a Baba where they smell. If they thought that place, Bella go they sweet me. Now I don't know why. Ma, no problem. I got the best.
Oh, because they do more in Saga or and I know that the king of social media.
Swear.
Baba where they smell. Don't you know
Okay.
So get inside your face, guys. You know they don't hear any Saga.
Thank you, ma. I don't like this part. Now this part I dey like for inside. Now they talk all the it come make me pump. It a buga. They talk you if they talk where emu saga odeshino. That is like father like daughter. Ah boy, this one sweet me inside. Yes, I say Kanda. Yes, that is my father. I'm my young.
So now, also not very way in Agbiye Kevi Seven. Why Agbiye Kevi ready back? Why only put on a way Agbiye Kevi?
Oh, look into my eyes. Why can I see? Sound so bright. Oh, my father only moon. My father sunshine. Who wait here? Where's a guy here? Who wait here? Because my godfather not they using my mama they play. Onion, look into my eyes. Why can I see? Sound so bright. You get one guy with ebony. He said, look into my eyes. What do you see? Another one said, now Apollo I see for there now. Apollo. Onion, love it dog. Even my mama not even know whether they even exist again. Since when my papa take come now, my mama he don't throw away daughter. Oh, beloved, the evidence is clear. Now they see her. This law sweet oh. He say if you want when my godfather head is spark, may God they beat my mama. Hey yeah, and my mama no send you now. I don't know, love you. I am proud of it, don't go. Don't I'm proud for this one way you talk. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Kudos for you for that word way you talk. Eddie man, we love you. Eddie we love you. That was see ani bieka. Ijeme. Wa mutwe erame wa do mama dake. Mama send you what? God will bless you, don't boom. Nika bless you when you are. I love that part when they talk. As they talk, I be let the sweet me put. God will bless you. Yeah, continue. Wabeg interview also. Oh yeah.
Because he very laptop for it. They don't see it, but when that's one minute. No, you can go away.
I love you now. Oh, is very winner now. Maggie, baby, now. Aye, that mommy, don't get love you. Don't get your tongue out that phone way. Oh, come and see what they are saying concerning your lovely husband. My daddy cannot do without you. If my mother go now, only my father is no more. He can never be. I love you now. I love you now is sweet. Oh yeah, we do that. Banya we probably am baba. God will bless you. We better want to be mana. The love is blind.
Oh boy. Masa you can be oh boy. Yeah, me can be very bad. I beg. Oh no.
The comment section where Mama on seven where I be able to be about again. What are we here?
No image. What no you wouldn't. Market cannot do 2 years. No,